Yes, next topic, Home tab. Font. Change the case button, superscript, subscript, clear all formatting. This is change the case button. This is clear all formatting. This is subscript and superscript. How to open this? Click on here. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalizations. First one, sentence case. Second one, lowercase. Third one, uppercase. Next one, capitalize each word. Last one, toggle case. Now, first select the paragraph, apply the all cases. First case is sentence case. This is sentence case. The first letter of the paragraph is capital. Next one, lower case. Each and every letter looking the lower cases letters. Next one, uppercase. Each and every letter capital letters. Modify the capital letters. Next case, capitalize each word. Every word first letter is the capital letter. Next, last one, toggle case. It means every sentence first one is the smallest, remaining all are capital. This is the changes the cases. Next one, superscript and subscript. Superscript example, x square plus y square is equal to z square. Subscript is C6 H12 O6. Before I am taken in the a square and b square. First 2 is the selected. Superscript. Click the superscript. Change the superscript. Click the superscript. Next one, subscript. CO2. Click the subscript. Automatically change the subscript. Superscript keyboard action, Control Shift plus plus. Subscript keyboard action, Control plus is equal to. Now, clear formatting. Clear formatting. Select the paragraph. Click clear formatting. All formatting, whatever spacing, sentence, sentence case, all cases are deleted automatically. This is called clear formatting. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.